What's new at USCAP 2025? We are at the Spot Imaging booth.
Good morning, I'm Miguel Bermeo. I'm the CEO of CI Medico. We're the North American distributor for Spot Imaging. We're presenting the CTO Express, which is
Let me show you the CTO Express.
which is a remote diagnostic tool for cytology. So if you're in an IDN or a distributed network of hospitals, you would put this unit or units at your remote sites, and it enables remote diagnosis and remote rows diagnosis. So you're increasing throughput and billings for cytology. Over here, we have the PathTracker product, and the PathTracker is a block and slide scanner. So as you're moving through the workflow from accessioning to grossing to histo, you're able to track and confirm that you have all of your inventory and how that works department to department, step to step. Right over here is sort of the baseline. My colleague here is these are microscope cameras and digital imaging. And the beauty of all this is, if you look right here, this is the PathSuite Enterprise. So all of this is integrated together with an LIS compliant and integrated software suite for image capture, management, and tracking.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.